Focus story in this bulletin. Kant in Moradabad continues to remain tense after a confrontation between a large number of BJP workers and the police on Friday. 5 BJP leaders, including Muzaffarnagar riot accused Sangeet Som and 4 MPs, were detained in Moradabad after they tried to defy a ban on the party from holding a Mahapanchayat in Kant area. Supporters and workers led by party men and members of the RSS and Hindu Mahasabha blocked train lines and resorted to stone pelting to lodge their protest. The police had to resort to tear gas shelling to dispel the crowds. Rail traffic route was also distributed due to the agitation. The BJP leaders were later released on the condition that they will stay away from the area and not create any more ruckus.
हमने पूरा आपसे कहा.
Meanwhile, Uttar Pradesh BJP on Friday constituted a 5-member committee of its MLAs for a detailed probe into the violence and detention of its legislators in Moradabad district.
पूरे उत्तर प्रदेश में ये बवाल क्यों है? आखिर पूरे उत्तर प्रदेश में ये सब कुछ क्यों हो रहा है? और मैं आपकी जानकारी के लिए बता दूं कि मैं कल वहां गया था, तो पार्टी के द्वारा एक पंचायत बुलाई गई थी, उसमें और लोग भी गए थे, सांसद भी थे हमारे और लोग एमएलए भी थे, सभी लोग गए थे, अकेला मैं नहीं गया था। लेकिन सरकार पूरा मैनिपुलेट करके इस तरीके का बवाल कराती है। अब बाई दी वे वहाँ मैं होता हूँ, अपनी बात रखने का लोकतांत्रिक देश में लोकतांत्रिक तरीके से कानून के दायरे में रह के सबको अधिकार है। वही बात वहाँ लोग रखना चाहते थे। केवल इतना मामला था कि जो माइक आपने मंदिर से उतारा है आप उसे लगा दीजिए। और मैं आपको बता दूं, मुस्लिमों को वहाँ कोई दिक्कत नहीं थी। मुस्लिम समाज के लोगों को जब मैं गया, आप अगर वीडियो क्लिपिंग निकलवाएंगे तो सैकड़ों मुस्लिम समाज के लोग मेरे साथ थे। उन लोगों ने कहा हमें साहब कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, हमारे रमजान चल रहे हैं, जब नमाज पढ़ी जाए तब माइक बंद हो जाना चाहिए। लोगों ने कहा, हिंदू समाज के लोगों ने भी कहा कि नहीं ठीक है, जब आपके नमाज का टाइम होगा कोई नहीं बजेगा।
Cutting across to my colleague Pankaj Upadhyay, who joins us from Kant at this point of time. Pankaj, what is the current situation? Earlier, it was said to be still very tense.
Preeti, I'm at the Kant police station and I met many high-level police officials here, and the question that I put up to them was, does it all end here now? And off record, they tell us that this might just flare up now. Perhaps this particular political personality of the BJP might have provided that instigation to stoke communal passions yet again. Now, the reason for it that these people are saying off camera and on record is because they believe that certain elements belonging to a particular political party and having its affiliation to our religious groups as well have been active in Bijnor, Moradabad, Kant area, who are igniting the communal passions in this area. And then of course then my next question to these people was, what is the police doing? Now police gave a very interesting theory saying that these people are acting in coded languages, and this active group is the one that organized these people for the Mahapanchayat that was to be organized in this area. And it is because of the activeness of this particular group which is active in Bijnor, Moradabad and Kant area, because of the success of this group, that so many people all of a sudden put themselves in hiding in the paddy fields and emerged all of a sudden, that perhaps made the police helpless at that point of time. So this is a major challenge for the police right now. As we all mentioned, the politics, the kind of politics that is getting dirtier by the day in Uttar Pradesh between the Bharatiya Janata Party and the Samajwadi Party here. And unless, of course, these few elements, not just in the Bharatiya Janata Party, but many other political parties that we saw emerging after the Muzaffarnagar riots, they are controlled, perhaps it's going to be very difficult in the days to come to control the emerging situation in Uttar Pradesh, Preeti.
Stay on with us, Pankaj. SSP Moradabad, Dharamveer, has now blamed the BJP for the Moradabad incident. Moradabad remains tense after clashes between BJP workers and the police on Friday. The SSP has blamed the BJP for the entire incident and has said that it is orchestrated by the BJP for electoral gains. Let's listen in.
सांसद यहाँ पे ठाकुर द्वारा में जहाँ से ये विधायक थे, वहाँ से बाई इलेक्शन होना है। उस बाई इलेक्शन को जीतने के लिए ये यहाँ पे ये दो समुदाय में टकराव की स्थिति उत्पन्न कर दें और उसका फायदा ले लें, इसलिए ये सब कर रहा है।
Pankaj is back with us at this point of time. Pankaj, we just heard the SSP, but if you look at it, ultimately it boils down to the political slugfest that we have seen, especially even after the UP polls, after the general election polls that we've seen between the BJP and the Samajwadi Party in the state of Uttar Pradesh.
looking at a certain level, it worked wonderfully well for the BJP in the general elections, that it was able to sway the electorate in such a grand fashion with the kind of politics that we saw that really happened in Uttar Pradesh. But then if the same kind of designs were to be unleashed for the assembly elections as well, the results could be really very devastating, because as I maintain, these particular political personalities who are nothing more than the nuisance factor, not just for the BJP but many other political outfits as well, who were very active during the Muzaffarnagar riots, they are not being reined in by the political honchos of their party. And this is the biggest question. Why is that so? And it is because of this reason that the police here and the administration looks so very helpless, saying that it is not the people which are against each other, it is not the communities which are against each other. They are living in a lot of peace and love, but this is the particular political class and certain elements within the political class.
And that's what the SSP you spoke to, Pankaj, that's the SSP who said the same. Let's once again listen into that reaction.
सांसद यहाँ पे ठाकुर द्वारा में जहाँ से ये विधायक थे, वहाँ से बाई इलेक्शन होना है। उस बाई इलेक्शन को जीतने के लिए ये यहाँ पे ये दो समुदाय में टकराव की स्थिति उत्पन्न कर दें और उसका फ़ायदा ले लें, इसलिए ये सब कर रहा है।